So I have taken 5-6 talks, which are very interesting. So let's begin.
ठीक है.
So first we will look at Nifty 50 just briefly, nothing, not going deep into it. Today's candle was a doji, means confusion. There's neither demand, neither supply. Okay. So first talk, is everyone's chart ready? Later,
Just one
please check.
thing.
Yes.
If we're just discussing candles, remove the MER.
Yes,
Otherwise, it
yes.
becomes highly complex.
So this is a basic program, level 1, 2, 3. We will not be discussing what trades to take. We will discuss the past. Okay. So first
Basically,
talk.
it's a session. He will go according to his approach, a new perspective we get to hear and see.
Hmm. So first talk is Bharti Airtel. So we will look at first we will look at super long term, which is uptrend. So from 2003 to 2007, great uptrend, and then from 2007 it has been going sideways. So I chose this chart to show that it has been going sideways, and there have been similar bottoms, no higher bottoms, no higher tops. So you see, higher top, same bottom, lower, uh, so lower top, lower bottom, same bottom, lower bottom, same bottom, same bottom, same bottom, same bottom. So this means there is demand over here, and the price will has not gone below this. Similarly, we'll look at the tops. So higher top, lower top, same top, same top, same top, same top. So you see this. So this is how you define whether a chart is going up, down, or sideways. So we can see Bharti Airtel has been going sideways since 2007, which is a very, very long term. And then we will look at MARs. So we were looking at weekly first to just see the overall chart, and then now we will look at daily. So as you can see, this is super choppy, super choppy, and as a trader, we don't want, like, we want an easier chart, if you know what I'm saying. So we can see, we'll take from 2016 onwards. So negative S&P, and then it tried to do a positive S&P, but then it failed. Second time it tested again, but then it failed. And third time again it tested, but then it failed. So after that, and then there was a sharp momentum. Fourth time it tested, it retraced a little, absorbed all the supply, and then impulsed. And then again we can see there was a retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse. So we can see the negative S&P, positive S&P, negative, positive, negative, positive. So we don't want to be trading the stock. Maybe you can just stick to using Airtel data. Any comments? Also, we will look at RSI. Right now, you can see there are higher tops. Higher bottoms. So higher bottom, higher bottom, higher bottom, higher bottom. So right now, since Feb 2019, there has been a slight. So short term has been trending for now. As of which MAR it is respecting. So whenever it goes below 365-day EMA is when you want to buy. Also, it is respecting the green line, which is 200-day EMA. Rest, this is super choppy and stay away from it. Okay.
So I think the key thing here would be that basically for last, I think, कितना हो गया? 13, 14 years has been going sideways.
Yes. So for
We've
the
talked,
beginners, sorry,
yeah.
continue.
So basically, yeah,
For the
you can see stock selection example. It stocks not to
stock
choose.
select.
Yeah.
Okay. So next chart I want you to open is Alchem. Again, we will look at long term. So are you all ready? So it started in 2015 and there has been higher tops, higher bottoms. This is long term. Then we will look at daily. So negative S&P and then it has been going up. So there was this impulse, retracement, impulse. So next, we will look at what MAR it is respecting. So on the long term, it is respecting 365 days. You can see this and this. And on the short term, 200-day EMA. Also, I want you all to answer what can you see in this chart. There are 69 people and I want 69 answers, not just switching on and lying or eating, whatever you're doing.
So it seems to have controlled your price suddenly double bottom, easy to trade, higher tops. Wait, what else?
What else? What else can you see? Easy to trade. I not. What? I not. Failed head and shoulders. Triangle. Correct. Triangle. You can see forming higher tops and bottoms. We said that is going sideways. So the personality of this stock is it goes up and then it goes sideways. Goes up, goes sideways. Goes up, goes sideways. So we can look at one triangle over here. Arya is beside me. And then we can look at another without the MARs. Line chart you can see. Okay. So this was a triangle breakout. And then this red candle was the supply being absorbed as it was near the supply zone. The supply was absorbed and then it broke out. Okay. Do you want to add anything?
No, that's यहाँ पे it would be that stock behavior. Like it goes
Correct.
up, then sometime again goes up and then sideways.
So you can see Aarti Industries stock behavior is different from Alchem stock behavior. Next.
We have learned
We'll,
the movie that before you stock, you have to look at the behavior and accordingly make a plan for trading. depending on how
Correct.
it behaves for the 6 months or 1 year, 2 years perspective.
Next stock is Bandhan Bank. Bandhan Bank. So first, as we see, ultra long term has been down. So you can see from here, just point it out. It has been down, and then we will look at daily. So this again is super choppy, and it is below the MARs. So we would not want to be in this stock. And this stock has significantly been below the MARs, as we can see. So it tried to um, do a positive S&P, but then there was supply over here, came down, and then again it tried. First time didn't happen, second time didn't happen. So you can see this area, this candle, this has supply over here. Also, the stock is very kind of random, like not random, but then it's very, so it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you don't know what next is going to happen. We look at
Yeah.
RSI. RSI is at 60, and it normally goes to 74, and the least it goes to 24, 25. So again, three stocks, three different personalities.
Yes, again, this kind of being actually an example of stock not selection. When the entire markets are moving up, this is going down. So would be a good stock for the people who wallet futures if the markets were bearish to go short, but for buying,
So correct.
never.
So this is not a stock which you have to go long. This is a shorting stock only during when the market is in a bearish mode. So
Yeah.
keep this stock on the side. There are better banks to invest in. Next stock we will take is Cipla. Sounds very good. So started in 1990, ultra long term up, good stock, giving good dividends. We will look at this space now. So we can see that the stock has been long term, but then the personality of this stock is it retraces, it impulses. So it goes up, sideways, up, sideways, up, and right now it is at a momentum. So what MAR is it? Okay, I want someone to answer what MAR it is respecting. Do you want to answer?
930.
What? Oh, your.
No, it's 930.
So some people. I want 73 people to answer. My brother with a new haircut. I like
Ball
the
cut,
cut.
yeah.
Okay, so 50, 100, 100, 200, 21, 200, 840. What is 840? Pages, rather. 52, 20, 50, 100. So most of y'all are on point. On the long, it is 200, 100, and on short term, it is 5. You can see this. It is respecting 5-day EMA. It is, you can see it. I don't have to tell it to you. Okay. So, so right now it is trending. Before that, it was from 2015 to 2020 March, which is COVID-19 happened. It was at a downward movement. You can see lower tops, same tops. What am I saying? Sorry, lower bottoms, same bottom, same bottom, same bottom, same bottom, lower bottom, lower bottom. Again, you see this place, this is kind of suspicious. Maybe this was because of news. Maybe this was artificially inflated. And you can see this is typical Tau theory. So mark up and then um, sideways and then mark down. Oh, sorry, mark up, accumulation, mark down. Am I right? Bharat bhai?
Yeah, with or cyclical in nature.
What? Hmm.
Or cyclical in nature. Like if you zoom out, let's look at the start of maybe last 10 years. So it has
Distribution.
been
Sorry.
that
Okay.
you can say in the markup currently.
Correct.
The markets have been
Currently,
moving
it is
up.
at a markup. So next talk, National Alam. I want you to open National Alam on your top. National Alam is National Aluminium. Very this stock. So whenever you go, so whenever you're going and doing your pre-market, whenever you see a stock like this, just skip it. So we can see it has been going from 1999 to 2007 up, and then it has been going sideways till now. So from so from 2011 to 2013, this was a good stock to short, but like you can't. So you look at it is not respecting a particular MAR like green. So it has been going down and then it went up, went down, went up, formed double bottom over here. Double bottom breakout, but then it wasn't very significant. Um, so soaked all the supply and then gradually went up. Okay, what else? So and then we can see there is a triangle, descending triangle, which has been formed over here.
Yeah.
And similar, you can look at the RSI. Okay.
Yeah. So I think an example of stock not selection, like this one is really kind of going first of all in similar phase, cyclical of Dow theory, and also overall it has been down trending. So if
Yes.
the market bearish, they are considered for going short. Again, that too with down trending and then going below the MAR.
Yes. Stock has been with a good volume. What does that mean?
But
So
Subhendu, I think
this
it's
stock
stock
in May has been
volume.
up with a good volume. What does that mean? So Bindu has asked. We will look at the month of May. So 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 the normal has been 2 to 4 crores, but then during the month of May it has reached the level of 14 crores. This means it can either be artificially inflated, or this this stock might have been on the news. That is why people must have bought. There can be multiple reasons. Okay,
But also at
correct,
the end of its price and not the volume.
correct.
The volume high, low, it will depend on the stock. Is it a liquid stock, illiquid stock? So volume will not be that a major factor for our plan. It's only the price.
Okay, last two charts. Sorry, stocks. We will take Adhunik. So Adhunik is a
Beautiful.
stock, beautiful stock, but like on the short term. Sorry, when it's going down. So this stock was at launched at 44 rupees, went all the way up to 200 rupees, and from now 200 rupees it has gone to zero point 0.5 paisa, 0.50 paisa. So that is like,
Yeah.
is this the same? I don't know. Stock CP. So um, I don't know what you're asking, Pratik. Oh,
Yeah. So I think today it was 50 paisa, so it might have further gone till maybe 20 paisa. But again, yeah, downtrending. Also, I think illiquid. You have
illiquid,
a lot
yes.
of downs.
Oh, it touched 0 rupees also.
No, उतना नहीं है. Zimo से हमें यार
I've seen it.
now zoom in. I think it's 40
See?
paisa. Low of the
Uh,
0.4.
but but very. If this was changed oppositely, then this would be a good stock.
Yeah, but also I think because of it being liquid, block can't be that safe. Like there are black circuits, upper circuit, lower circuits. If you're stuck in that particular trade, you will not be able to exit. So basically, stay away.
There is a stock called Khoobsurat. You want to see? We'll look at the stock called Khoobsurat.
Yeah, let's go ahead.
Khoob- on BSE.
The moment
Oh,
ये नहीं है,
oh my God.
interesting. Is it still active? Yeah, data अच्छा ही है. So yeah, good abstract art. Just take a screenshot and make it a painting on the wall.
Opposite of the name. Charts are opposite of the name. Nice. Okay. So
ठीक है, last
someone
round.
has asked, can we take Deepak fertilizers? We can take Deepak fertilizers. We look at long term first. So sideways from 85 to 2004, almost 20 years. Then went up slightly sideways from 2007 to 21. And right now, LRCs are being formed. So this V formation has been formed. We'll look at daily now. So first of all, RSI is at 86 overbought. So we don't want to be in the stock as of now. Also, it has been going down from 2017 all the way to 2020. And now you can see it is following the blue line. So this means it is artificially pumped, Deepak fertilizers. It was below the MARs, respecting 100 and 200, and then did a positive S&P. And right now it is respecting 100 and on the low um, has been going up with 5-day EMA. Also, you can see this, especially this is almost 90 degrees or 70 degrees. Correct.
Also, an example of here, there was markdown accumulation or the markup phase made,
Correct.
and that now being at supply area. Like I think today it was inverse hammer.
One
If you
second.
zoom in further, yeah,
One
inverse
second.
hammer.
Hmm. So you know
At
what inverse
the
hammer at the top means. Can someone answer what inverse hammer at the top means?
so the
Not
question being now, supply area पे है, can it come down? Yeah, it can also further go up. So what do you think can happen?
so we will wait and watch what happens. So someone said downtrend, which is wrong. It does not show downtrend. It just shows that there is massive supply and there is a chance that it can reverse. There is a chance. Someone also
Like all,
said temporarily it will come down. So again, do not use will. There is a chance it can go up, break out. There is a chance it can come down. So Krishna Agrawal, not will. Um, Tanuj Gandhi said price will reverse.
look at the charts. You also have to look at it in the context of this entire market. The
Correct.
entire markets are highly bullish, uptrending, and it can even also break out. So both factors have to
So
be considered while we have this talk to the entire market scenario.
so there's a 50% chance it can break out or break down. But when you use the word price will reverse or it will come down, then in your mind the word it changes. Okay, this sort
So
of forming come back.
it may come down. There are chances. Will means होने वाला है. That is, you can see in a way prediction, which we never do in the market.
Correct.
So
Okay.
clear with all the charts, anything that you want to which you can type in or what we have discussed or we have discussed on the charts. So he can answer those. the supply demand area for say 2 3 years remains valid. So again, my question would be, if a stock is coming back to a demand zone, which was 3 years back formed, that means for last 3 years it is going sideways, in which case not a good stock to be choosing, first of all. So that by default you can get elevated, because if you are having a highly bullish stock, it will be forming higher to higher bottom and moving up. If a stock is coming back towards 3 year back demand area, that means, example, ITC, so not a great stock to be then basically focusing on. Yeah, Pradeep.
So also, for the next session of C3, if you want any particular patterns to be seen on the chart, for example, if you want me to show you a triangle or a head and shoulders or whatever you have doubt in, you can write it down or comment it on the next post of C3 on Facebook, so that I can find some and um, give explain the thing to you. No, not mail. Next time when um, Bharat Bhai will post on Super Trader, that time you can comment down what pattern you want to see on the chart, and I can find some for you.
Yeah, I think we will do that. It will be good idea. We can discuss our theme day or triangle session. Yeah, another session. So we can discuss all the sessions on those patterns and see the outcome and what are the scenarios.
It's like if you're going for a jungle trip and if you want to see a lion, then next time I'll look at the areas, the charts where we can see lions, and then I'll show you what a lion does. And okay, okay, bye.
Bye and good night.